Good afternoon, Natalie Tarry from Natematics here to take you through another one of the manual methods, and this one is multiplication. There are a couple of ways that we can do multiplication. This one I'm showing you is the column method. When students do their SATs in Year 6, they are often taught or told, do this multiplication using the grid method. Do this multiplication using the column method. When you get to GCSE, really it's up to you. As long as you know how to multiply, whatever method you use is entirely up to you. Okay, so I'm going to show you the column method. And what we do with the column method is we break it down into, first of all, 30, because if remember that I think of our place value, this is 30 and that's 6. So we're going to look at 30 times 27, and then later on we're going to look at 6 times 27. Did I say 37? Then I meant 27. Okay, now if you're multiplying by 30, it's a multiple of 10. So that means we're going to move that figure one place to the left. So I'll do it the right way around for you. One place to the left, and there's going to be a 0 on the end, so like a placeholder. So we put a placeholder in first. And then the first calculation we're going to do is 3 times 7. Okay, so 3 times 7 is 21. So then we put the 1 here, and then the 2 will get put down there to carry forward to the next calculation that we do. Now just remember, place value. I know we do 7 times 3, but really this is 30 times 7. Yeah, 30 times 7, so it's 210. So you've got the 1 in the tens column, and then the 2 in the hundreds column. Okay, so anyway, the next calculation, we will make sure that we add this 2 to whatever our answer is. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is 3 times the 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus that 2, so that gives us 8. So 30 times 27 is 810. In fact, if you work out 3 times 27, you'll work out that it's 81. 10 times bigger than that, which means it's 810. Okay, so on to the next line. I mentioned at the beginning, we now need to look at 6 times 27. So that's our next line. So we're going to break it down into 6 lots of 20s, 6 lots of 7s. Okay, so 6 lots of 7s, 42. Times tables, make sure you know them. Okay, so 6 times 7 is 42. Put the 2 down, and we're going to carry the 4. Next thing, 2 times 6 is 12. Plus that 4 gives us 16. Okay, so we put those in there. So what do we do with these two then now? We need to add these two numbers together. Okay, so put a line on the bottom, pop the addition in. So what we're going to do is add the 0 and the 2, which gives 2, 1 and the 6 to give 7, and the 8 and the 1 to give 9. So that's, oops, pop that back. So our answer is 972. Thank you very much for watching. Look out for my next video, which will be on the grid method. Thank you. Bye-bye.